Hi there, this is Christy, and I wanted to talk to you today about exploring your business model with Michelle and Amy. If you want to grow your business beyond Etsy, this is really your next step. I could not recommend more highly um, my friend Michelle, who partners with Amy. And this is for you. I'm just going to read it. If you want to create a stream of income with a client based business around your skills and expertise, you love the idea of being able to virtually co work with other women in the community, you would love to participate in Michelle's new mastermind on growing your business beyond Etsy. Um, she's also going to start, you'll be able to, if you join the membership, list your service in her Planner Girl directory. And she has a very active community on Facebook. And she gives you ideas of how to sell and what to sell. For example, she said, you don't know where to start when it comes to serving clients, start small. For example, say, I will list your planner on Etsy for you for, X amount of dollars. But your service does not have to be related to planners. It can be any service that helps women grow their businesses. So inside the monthly sessions, you'll be invited to co-work with other women in the Planner Girl Insider community. Most of us are working from home, and it does feel isolating, but it doesn't have to be. So it'll be a regular time to meet, and you can just mute it and just know you're not alone. Um, Michelle was serving 6 and 7 figure businesses as clients. She built her own 6 figure business at the same time over the last 8 years. And she stopped doing client work and she created a community of ladies. Um, and it's called Planner Girl Insiders. So she also has a welcome packet. It's going to be a template where you can showcase your portfolio. And I love Michelle's templates. They are awesome. I use them every week. And remember, it's not just for service based businesses and it's not just for Etsy. It's for any business you want to start online. So, what you will get a quarterly group mastermind with Michelle. You'll get monthly group co working sessions. You'll get access to advertising your services in the Planner Girl directory, and you'll get a client welcome pack template, which is super cool. You'll love her templates. And she just opened the doors today. It's only $100 per year or $50 every 6 months. I'm an affiliate for Michelle, and I get a commission if you join through my link. If you do join through my link, you will also get my own course, excuse me, on how to create pretty printables. And let me show you what that looks like. Pretty printables course for newbies right here. So it is it costs $197 to enroll it if you're just coming in from the public. Um, but if you sign up with Michelle, just email me and I'll put my email below this video and I will send you a coupon to enroll in my Pretty Printables course for newbies for free. Okay, so that's the deal. And let me know if you have any questions below the video because I come back to check. I will talk to you soon. I hope that helps. It's pretty exciting. You will love Michelle's Planner Girl Insiders. Guaranteed. Talk to you soon. Bye now.